Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to change the RAM in a MacBook 2010 laptop. As you can see, I've already opened up my back panel of the cover to get access to my RAM. So what I'm gonna do is to identify where my RAM is and to use two fingers on both sides to flick the clips to release the RAM, and it's gonna lift up to about like 45 degrees angle. So I've removed one of them, so I've got two sticks of RAM in there. Then I'm gonna flick to the second one again and pull it out as well. So this is what you do if you want to upgrade the RAM capacity. For example, you've got about 2 or 4 gig of RAM and you want to increase the capacity to a higher one. As long as your system or your motherboard can take it, you can change the RAM as well to a higher capacity. So I'm gonna put the RAM back in, put the first one in and push it in to click. Then do the same for the second one. Just push it in at 45 degrees angle, then push it in to click in place. So I'm gonna put the cover back on now to put the screws back to secure the system. Okay, this is the end of the video tutorial. All I'm gonna do next is just to power the system on. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Please watch out for more videos of hardware changing.